I've had type 1 diabetes since I was 1 year old, and that's involving a lot of sporadic sugar, often in the middle of the night, which you can't brush away without brushing in. And this has led me also to rebel. So everything was surrounded by food, so anything connected to food, no, I'm not having any of it. So as a result, as a kid, I often would not brush my teeth. And as an adult, I might now, but it's too late. The damage has already been done. So my teeth naturally are discoloured, they're yellow, and they're not perfectly straight either. My whole life, I've carried a weight around with me of feeling self-conscious about my smile. When you meet people, it's one of the first things that they see about you. And whether we like it or not, humans, we have a tendency to make judgments on other humans. Fair enough. So it's just something I've had on me my whole life. But putting these in now, it's like it's just the weight has gone. We see so much on social media everywhere. People with perfectly white smiles, and now I am one of them. It's crazy. It's crazy. I've got the instasmile Classic in shade A1, perfectly natural white. My confidence has just gone through the absolute roof. Honestly. I'm not being paid to make this video. I'm not being contracted to. I'm making this because genuinely, I just feel amazing in this product. Okay, come on then, let's get them out and show you my real teeth. Here we are. So, as you can see, not perfectly straight and in no sense of the word white. But pop these in really easily and they're white. That easy. It's like a instant transformation, isn't it? Honestly, something so small as this, you can just make it such a massive thing yourself. And to me, this is just absolutely life-changing. And I genuinely feel emotional about it. I just thank you so freaking much. Instasmile. Thank you. And my plan is to wear these every day, all day. At the moment, I'm learning to eat in them. Instasmile say you can do it, and you can, but you just got to learn. It's a different rhythm, different way of doing it. But these, honestly, other when I'm asleep or when they're being cleaned, these ain't coming out my mouth.